Your backyard is an oasis. At least, it can be. And it should be. Maybe it's time to think about installing that pool you've always wanted, or refreshing the one you have. Here's how.
I think we all realize how important the home is to the enjoyment of our family and our friends. And the pool is sometimes the last thing that gets addressed, but it is one of the most important things because it completes how you utilize your home, your land, your space. And it's just a, special thing when it all comes together.
One visit to the Landmark Pool showroom, and you can see that they are passionate about what they do.
We're able to complement with custom precast stone and some of our custom-made tile. We're able to incorporate that contemporary look where we're trying to match a paint color with a house or flooring with a house. And negative edges are special when they all come together. It has this element that the water just appears to go on forever. They're also known as infinity pools. And when we do them, they always are so photogenic. They just look amazing.
Backyard spas are also very popular and have many health benefits.
Spas, of course, just for the relaxation benefit and the therapeutic of the jets that we put in are tremendous for when you've come home after work after a long day. So many medical and therapeutic uses for pools and spas.
Remodeling your old pool is also an option.
When I first approached the backyard, it's quite evident if a pool needs to be removed. If the water level is way off, that means that the pool has popped, or if it's badly cracked where you can see roots growing out of it, it's a perfect candidate to demolish and start over. My main objective is to make the customer happy and deliver something that is better than what it was 20 years or so ago. I get very creative and I make suggestions. And of course, when I type up the estimate and send it, I always put a list of options for them to choose from. And typically, when they envision what I suggest, they go for it. And the ultimate is awesome.
You might even want to think about adding a fountain for a peaceful atmosphere.
Well, a lot of people like to accent their curb appeal from the front with some sort of a fountain in the front yard, which we do quite a few of those. We've also done fountains for meditation. Those can, have ornamental sculptures. They can, of course, the colors and the materials used are important as well, but just the sound of a great fountain can bring you so much peace and serenity to your landscape. A lot of people want a waterfall just for the purpose of drowning out the noise nearby, traffic, noisy neighbors. The fountain can do so much in terms of creating a new ambient noise for your backyard. A lot of people think that their house is complete when they move in and there's just a big backyard. It's not complete. You can create a gathering place, another place to enjoy family and friends and good company by creating a pool in your backyard that you can cherish forever and generate so many great memories. There's so much value to that, and I just can't explain enough how it completes everything. At Landmark Pools, if you can imagine it, we can build it.
Want to know more about Landmark Pools? Visit landmarkpools.com or designingspaces.tv.